welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina, and I love to paper craft as well as to organize my crafting supplies. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to show you what I purchased from three crafters. I follow these crafters in Instagram, and I have an Instagram account which is over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I purchased from these wonderful crafters. Okay, so I am here to show you what I purchased from these fantastic crafters. Their craftsmanship is amazing, and I follow them in Instagram and in YouTube as well. So I'm going to leave a list of all these crafters in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So let's start with Rhoda. Rhoda, she has an account called Nifty Crafty Me, and she sells die cuts. And look at her packaging. Isn't this amazing? Just covering here. It's so cute. So I look at this. So I ordered some die cuts. Halloween, you know, Halloween's coming up, and I have a lot of things to do in Halloween, and sometimes I don't have enough time to die cut, or I don't have the proper die cuts. Even though I have a Cricut machine, that's a different story. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, I'm not using it for obvious reasons. And I'm opening this. So I ordered her Halloween kit. It's a bunch of die cuts, things that can save me time in prepping and doing all that jazz. So happy Halloween to all of you. Good bright. So cute. And it came with, oh, look at this. You're positively witched, my dear. Gorgeous, gorgeous Rhoda. And let's take a look. And look at how the packaging, it's just like so beautiful. Such a good quality of packaging, and you know, she puts all these little details on it. And of course, I don't want to destroy the back topper because I might be using or reusing the back topper for my October daily, and I'm saving that as well. And there you go. Here, voila. And look at her kit. I mean, it's just, I wish you can see these in person. You know, sometimes pictures or videos are, you know, not enough. I try to do my best on showing, you know, more clarity and all that on my videos, but sometimes things are just not enough. And yes, she has these dies that I don't have, so this is just perfect. And so look at this, how cute, super cute. So it comes tons of it, and I'm a great supporter of small businesses. And look at this, boo. You see, I don't have these dies, boo. So this is just helps me a lot on prepping for Halloween. I'm attending one event in Halloween, and look at this, a spider. Oh, Rhoda, these are just so gorgeous. And the doilies, look at the doilies. I love it. I love it. It also came with these, which I don't have. I have the die with the hearts, but not this one. The ribbon die. Look at that. So cute. So cute. Here are the other ones. And then Halloween. These are perfect. I definitely made a good buy on these. Look at that. How cute. Cute, 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 cute. And then more doilies, of course. You never can get enough of doilies. And this other one. And these are for the ribbons. To tie the ribbons. And I love these. I love it. The sequin mix. I love this really bright, almost like neon orange. I don't have that. Gorgeous. And look at that. Super duper cute. Rhoda, you just did a fantastic job on this. And then she sent me a handmade with love. Thank you, especially for you. Ooh, like a little treaty. And let me see what is in here. Oh, let's see what is in here. Bling, which I don't have this bling. I have black, but not too many. I used most of my black bling last year, so this is just perfect. These are so I can make my own rosettes. This is just fantastic. Fantastic. Save me time. And of course, like I don't have these papers, so this is just perfect. Perfect. And then this other one. Ooh, I have never seen this one before. And I think these are all rosettes kits. These are the circles. So stinking cute, right? The spiders. I love it. I love it. You know, I just get so excited. So this is Rhoda, and I'm going to leave the link to her Instagram handle. And she normally puts in her stories, you know, kits, and also posts when kits are on sale, and you just have to like grab them. She sells fantastic die cuts, and these kits are just like phenomenal. Super duper cute. Now moving on. Cat Paper Love. Don't you ever love Abby from Cat Paper Love? I just admire her craftsmanship as well. She is creative. I mean, at 100%. And she came up with these Kawaii kits that she was selling this week. And they were $25 each, and they contain some store-bought items as well as some kits. So here is the kit. Karina has my name on it, and let's take a look. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna probably do it like this, and look at that. How cute. Oh, when I saw them, I was just drooling, just looking at everything. And isn't this cute? It's a pouch, a milk pouch, which is perfect. I don't have that many pouches for pencils, and this look definitely great. So moving on. Holy cow, I'm telling you, this is just so cute. Cute. And look at that. This is so cute. Cute. So, and came up with these were corrective or correction tape, which is perfect. So definitely this is gonna go in my morning strawberry milk pencil case for work. I put everything to work. And look at this banana. How cute. So cute. So stinking cute. And yeah, she was showing this gum ball, and then she was like, oh, once you ended up eating all this gum, you know, you can embellish it or whatever, you know. Probably I will do. So this is coming to me too. So I have gum next to me at work. And what else? Oh, and these are stickers. Oh, look at these stickers. How cute. Oh my goodness. I have to open everything up. I love Kawaii. Some people, they don't like Kawaii, but I love it. I love all the... Oh, look at this. How cute. Stinking cute. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Stickers for my planners. For my planner at work over here. And then, of course, this is, I'm saving the best for last. And this is her card. Look at that. Oh, meow. And this panda. Love it. And she mentioned that she was putting together a kit, like a kind of like a carton, milk carton kit, in some things from, let me see, so cute, stinking cute, perfect, like to do rosettes or to do wands. And look at all that, so cute. And all the flowers. I probably should open this up. I don't want all the papers to be so yeah, so you can make a wand, rosettes, super stinking cute bows, that, yeah, just to put together a wand, so stinking cute, super super cute. And flowers, and these are for the, so stinking cute. Okay, look at that, look at this bling, how cute, super super cute. And I'm gonna put everything in here because I don't want to be missing anything. And of course I'm probably going to be digging into these beautiful sequins stars. So yeah, so this is it. This is her Kawaii Kit. Super super cute. Probably should move these along. And the last one is from my dear crafty friend Brittany Pochick. She has a account in Instagram and in YouTube, and she's a mixed media artist, paper crafter. She makes all kinds of things, and it's just amazing. She's super creative, super sweet and funny as well. And she posted on Instagram stories some of her mixed media work, canvases that she was selling. I said, you know what, I need something for my wall of pictures and frames and anything like that. So I purchased a canvas. It's a 12 by 12 canvas, mixed media, and I love the colors, and those colors, they definitely are gonna go along with the theme. So look at that, look at the packaging. I love these super bright tissue paper. So every time I'm in my craft room and I see her work of art, I'll be thinking about her. And look at this, how cute. I don't want to damage it. It came very nicely wrapped, so it didn't, there we go. Okay, there we go. Look at this, look at this. I mean, the clustering is just amazing. It almost is like Alice in the Wonderland sort of type, you know, the cards and the teas, and look at that. Look at all the, she used a lot like mixed media, all the acrylics, stains, gesso, and I love these butterflies. How cute, super super cute. And look at the tea. This is just so beautiful, beautiful, and what I would say, a piece of art, you know, made with a lot of creativity, made with love, all these details. And as you can see, I love the way she combined all the colors. Everything blends so beautiful. And of course nothing gets lost, because you know what's the focal point is the teapot. Yeah, it's like a teapot. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so I can show you where I'm going to be placing these beautiful canvas. Okay, I'm here in the part of the craft room where I am going to be placing the artwork that I got from Brittany Pochick, and I'm going to replace it with these. I have like too many things here, you know, my dog, so trying to make this wall more go along with, you know, the themes, the colors. So I am going to, I hope I'm not making you dizzy, and I'm gonna put it in here. I'm using like one hand. There we go. Let's put it more to the left. There we go. So cute. Look how everything looks so beautiful, right? The color almost matches my other big one. So it looks super cute. And now from a different angle, like walking away, there it is. There's a piece of art. Okay, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.